Take a moment to check out the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.